Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I have something very special to you, is that whenever you feel you are in difficulty and whatever you have in your life, everything is getting very negative in your life, and you have nothing positive, you have nothing good. So remember the ayat of Surah Al-Nashra, there is an ease with every hardship, there is an ease with every hardship. So this means that whatever you have something wrong, it means it will turn into a positive one. It will turn into a very good one. So my message to you is that your worst situations you have in your life will have something positive and greatest moments after that. And remember this, don't give up until you achieve your dream, until you are suffering from bad circumstances in your life. Just go on, just confront each and every moment of your life. Your worst situations, moments will be turned into the good ones, and your life will be very stronger. And these moments, situations will make you more stronger, and your life will be very perfect. So I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching me. Remember me in your prayers. I love you.